A for aster, A for amaryllis, A for azalea, B for begonia, B for bluebell, B for baby's breath, C for carnation, C for chrysanthemum, C for crocus, D for dahlia, D for daffodil, D for daisy, E for elderflower, E for echinacea, E for edelweiss. F for freesia, F for forget-me-not, F for foxglove, G for gerbera, G for gladiolus, G for gardenia, H for hydrangea, H for hibiscus, H for hellebore, I for iris, I for impatiens, J for jasmine, K for knapweed. L for lily, L for lavender, L for lilac, M for marigold, M for morning glory, M for magnolia, N for narcissus, N for nasturtium, O for orchid, O for oxeye daisy, P for peony, P for poppy, P for petunia, Q for Queen Anne's lace. R for rose, R for ranunculus, R for rhododendron, S for sunflower, S for snapdragon, T for tulip, T for tiger lily, U for umbrella plant, V for violet, V for verbena, W for wisteria, W for water lily, X for xeranthemum, Y for yarrow, Z for zinnia.